Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate QuickBooks payments data with Sales CRM detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate QuickBooks payments data with your Sales CRM, begin by logging into your QuickBooks account. Navigate to the settings menu located in the upper right corner. Look for the apps option and click on it to explore available integrations. In the apps menu, search for your specific Sales CRM by using the search bar. Once you locate your CRM, click on it to view details about the integration. Select the Get App Now button to initiate the integration process. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect your QuickBooks account to the CRM. You may need to enter your QuickBooks login credentials for authentication. After successfully logging in, grant the necessary permissions for data sharing. Review the integration settings to ensure all desired data points are selected. Save your changes and proceed to configure your CRM settings for QuickBooks integration. In your CRM, locate the Settings or Integration section to input your QuickBooks data. Enter the specific API key or connection details provided by QuickBooks. Confirm the connection to ensure data flows seamlessly between both platforms. Conduct a test transaction to verify the integration functions correctly. Monitor your CRM dashboard for QuickBooks payment data and ensure everything is displaying accurately. Adjust any settings as necessary to customize your data view or reports. Regularly check for updates to both QuickBooks and your CRM to maintain optimal integration performance. By following these steps, you will effectively activate QuickBooks payments data within your Sales CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.